Just say a video game.
Hey guys, it's Furious Emerald 5 from and we're back with another video. So if you didn't know, I don't only play video games, I make video games. And today we're going to be joined by Red Fox. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're also joined by a special guest named Cassandra, and she is a special video game developer.
Hello guys.
So,
am I too young to make a video game?
No. Everyone can make a video game. So, how we are going to do this is Red Fox is going to be the girl, and I'm going to be the boy. So we're going to play through our video game.
They're called Jack and Luna.
We're going to play through our video game, and then we're going to show you the sheet each where we created the video game. So let's start.
It looks complicated, but it's not.
Let's start. Okay, so first, Jack can only grab the key, and he's the only one that can grab the coins. Also, it's a multiplayer game, guys. So, and now this time Jack's in the cage and locked up, so he needs Luna to save him. And Luna's going through a maze. And it's not an auto scroll. It's a scrolling to wherever Luna goes. So right now, Red Fox
is found the key to the cage,
collecting all the coins and getting the key. And now she just hit a dead end. And now she found the cage.
And our special guest was giving me the exact directions because they changed it.
Now Luna is in the cage also. So now Jack can't grab the key right now because he has no monies. Oh, he has to go through the portal to the red side, and then he has to grab the coins, the money. So once he grabs the money, he can go through the portal and get the key to open the cage and let Luna out. And now this one I built. So Luna, wait, stop.
It's touch screen.
Yeah, and it's mouse control. So Luna can fly in this one, and Luna has to knock down the planes so Jack can collect the money. So can you knock down the planes, Red Fox? I collected that coin.
Huh.
And now, okay, so now we're done. So now this is the game creation sheet. So we can see all of the levels and the code for how we made them. So we're going to be taking you.
Oh, and on the side, we have every character and parts. Yeah, so we had the airplane, the background, the castle, then you get the idea. And all the ones that Furious made don't have names.
Yeah.
So if there are any of them named Sprite, Furious made them.
So guys, the first thing you want to do when you're creating a game and you don't want it to be a scrolling to, you want it to be one screen, all you gotta do is go see the layout size, is copy it, and then go to project properties. And when you find wherever it is, the window size, you paste it there. So I did this in the wrong order. First you go to properties, and you take the window size, and then you copy that. And then you go to the layout size, and you paste it right in there. So now it won't be scrolling to the place. And also, if you want to make it scroll to, let me just get a character in really quickly. So let me just take a Jack and copy it from this level. I'm going to just paste it right in here. So this is Jack. If you wanted to make it scroll to, then all you would need to do is go to behaviors. You need to, if I click on Jack, you would need to remove bound to layout. So let's delete this. Bound to layout. And let's add scroll to. So it scrolls to where he is. But the thing is, when you play this, it'll just fall down and it won't scroll to anywhere because of the windows, the layout size.
And also because he's a platform.
He's a platform?
Yeah. See?
No.
Platform.
No, that doesn't. Oh yeah, and that's the second thing it's gonna mention. When that happens, it doesn't mean
a platform.
it doesn't mean you have a.
I mean layout 3. Sorry.
It doesn't mean you are a platform. It means you can walk on platforms. Cause look, if I paste a platform in, Jack can walk on it.
But he would fall through it if it didn't.
Like, oh yeah, and also
It needs an event sheet, or else we can't move Jack.
yeah, we need. So here's the event sheet. So we're gonna take the keyboard, and when a key is down, we're gonna make it W. So the W, and we're gonna make it when that key is pressed. Jack, he moves, he jumps. So we can do that. It's really not hard. Just when key W is pressed, you go down, you hit simulate controls for platform because that behavior is on him, and then you hit jump. So now if we go back to layout 6,
and then you copy and paste that over again, switching keys and the action.
You can see that
all he can do is jump though. So
when I press W, he jumps. So
let's add more things that he can do.
Yeah.
Also, if we put in Luna, she can if you tap the arrow keys, she can do whatever she wants.
That's the basic control. You don't have to put in code for that. So now let me just put this all in. And while I'm putting this in, Eva will talk a little bit about our game.
Okay, so basically we have Luna and Jack. The storyline is basically either best friends and whatnot, maybe even brother and sister, according to whatever Furious says. And they find this key, and then they see this castle. So they try to open it with the key. Yeah, and then when they go in, they go into the next level, they grab some coin, but they can't lift the key. But there's somebody guarding, but the key is in the shop, but we didn't have time for that. So they had to grab coins and buy the key so they could move on to the next level. But then when they went into the next level, Jack got captured because he was tired of running around. And Luna has to save him by buying another key to the cage, and so on and so forth.
And then for the next level, Luna
got captured because she was tired of that, so Jack, who had rested in the cage, goes and saves her. Done.
So now we have this so that...
And then they get out and have to steal coins from airplanes. I don't know what Furious was doing.
Mm-hmm. No, they have to knock down the evil airplanes.
What, evil airplanes
and
coins fall out?
So, let me...
bank robbers?
Let me also put in Luna into the level. And now she has the basic controls because I didn't change her controls. She moves with the arrow keys. But there's a problem. Luna and Jack are both moving with the arrow keys, whereas Jack can only move with the W, A, and D keys. So to fix that problem, I'm going to have to go to Jack. Let me just make this platform all the way so I have more room. We have to go to Jack, and we have to set default controls to no. So now, if we run layout, we can see that Jack can move by himself. The last thing we're going to introduce to you in this tutorial is layers. So layers is just, so if we go to layers, we can see layer 0. Oh, and by the way, we're using Construct 2. It's free, and yeah. So yeah.
It says on the top Construct 2 free edition.
Yeah. So layers, we can rename the first one background. So the background will always be in the back. And we can rename the second one game. So all the game people can be right here. So to change this layer, you just hit this and change it to game. But you can also hit you can also hit Control and then click on all of the characters, and then you can change all of their layers, all of the things you clicked on, to game. So that's an easier way to do it. So let's take this background we had in layout 1 and let's paste it right here. So now we have a background, but we need to make this background in the layer background, so it's behind all the game people. So there we go. Now we have this. And our game's working pretty fine right now. But now we have to make it like all the other levels, where we have a key and the coins you have to collect. So this is the first level that introduced that. So we can see, we're not going to build it in this level, but we're just going to look at what we have in the code right now. So we have when A is, let me actually move this. So let me move this a little bit further. There we go. So we have when A is down, we have all the Jack stuff, but then we have when Jack hits the key, it adds 1 to the variable coins 2. So, and he can only get the key when the coins 2 is equal to 2. So when he gets 2 coins. So then it destroys the key, but then he also gets, let me move this down. He also it sets the hash key 2 to 1. So instead of 0, it would be 1. So when the hash key is equal to 1, he can now go into the castle, because as he has hash key 2 equals 1. So he goes to layout 3. So let's see what happens. Luna can't grab the key without Jack grabbing the coins. But Luna can't grab the coins because we made only Jack be able to hit it. And she can't go into the castle without Jack grabbing the coins. So Jack goes into the castle as well. Oh yeah, Jack goes into the castle as well. So Jack grabs the coins, and Luna grabs that key. But if Luna doesn't grab the key, Jack can't enter the castle. What? Jack can't enter the castle because we made a mistake in our code. We'll fix it later. But that's all we wanted to show to you right now. So that's episode 1 of how to make a video game. So hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe for a great post. Hit that notification bell to be notified of all my new videos. So that's all for this video. Bye.